What if you could stop typing almost completely and still get cleaner writing than ever before? That's exactly what Wispr Flow AI is trying to do, and honestly, this might be one of the most impressive productivity tools I've tested in 2026. Wispr Flow is basically an AI-powered dictation app that lets you speak naturally while the AI turns your voice into polished text in real time. But unlike normal speech-to-text tools, this one actually understands how humans talk. It removes filler words like adds punctuation automatically, fixes mistakes while you speak, and even adjusts your writing style depending on where you're typing. The cool part is that it works almost everywhere, including Gmail, Google Docs, Notion, Slack, WhatsApp, coding apps, and even AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude. According to the company, it supports more than 100 languages and works on Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android, which makes it one of the most flexible AI dictation tools out there right now. A lot of users online are saying this app completely changed how they work because speaking is much faster than typing. Some reviewers even claimed they cut their typing time in half after using it for a few weeks. One of the biggest strengths people mention is how natural the experience feels because you don't have to speak like a robot. You can pause, correct yourself, or change your sentence halfway through, and Wisprflow usually understands what you mean. Another feature users really like is the custom dictionary and snippets tool, which helps the AI learn names, phrases, or repeated text you use often. Developers also seem to love it because it works inside coding tools and can understand file names and formatting better than traditional dictation apps. But of course, this tool is not perfect. Some users complained about privacy concerns because certain features reportedly use cloud processing and contextual awareness. Others mentioned accidental recordings or hotkey issues, which honestly could be embarrassing if you're not careful. A few people also said the free version feels limited and the monthly subscription can get expensive over time. And while the accuracy is generally strong, it still struggles in noisy environments or during very long dictation sessions. So is Wisprflow actually worth it? I'd say yes for the right type of user. If you write lots of emails, prompts, notes, content, or documents every day, this tool can genuinely save time and make your workflow feel smoother. But if you care heavily about privacy or prefer offline software, you may want to think twice before fully depending on it. Overall, Wisprflow feels like one of the first AI dictation apps that actually delivers on the promise of making voice typing practical for everyday work, and that's why so many people are talking about it right now. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would actually replace typing with AI voice dictation in 2026.